Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's good to see your faces. Yes, today I want to show you my pattern. I've been calling my husband though. I'm telling you, I've been calling me. Eba mi gerun yi, eba fi pattern see. He said go to salon. What a man can do, woman can do better. Mba gbe clipper. Wash it. Can you see it? Can you see? See how beautiful it is. Yes. Can you see? You can't love by one go like this, one come like this. Moya she call me from me. When he did answer me, and I showed him that see what I did. Nobody is permitted to laugh. I'm the only one that can laugh. I'm the only one that is permitted to laugh. Can you see it? She call me kia. Any call le fi mi shako bẹ́ẹ̀. You can't make me to. You can't do shakara for me. What is it? Is it not to cut hair? Just put small cutting. In short, when it was very full, okay, let me see how I'm going to cut it. But you know, say let me go to salon. More salon, and I saw that the pattern putting close up. Let me do pattern. He said go salon. I said salon, no pattern. I confirm pattern by. I know some of you will be saying she can confirm pattern by. So what I did, we are moving pan. Shiba. Oh my God, that is what I did though, and I did it myself. Can you see how beautiful it is? It makes sense by J. What it make it sense you? I'm preparing for Japan. They said in abroad, do it yourself. So I'm learning how to put pattern now. By the time it's about a perfect pattern, don't worry. You don't worry. It's about the perfect pattern here. It's about what cut. See what I did. See what I did on my head. Yes, so now do it yourself. No, you have to bear it. So I'm learning. I'm still a learner. You know, I'm a learner. But can you see that? I look better now. Yes. Don't let anybody make you feel you cannot do it. There is nothing you cannot do. So far it's good to know. Do good to know. There is nothing me I cannot do. You know, except I don't want to do it. So this is the part of me. Should in case you meet me on the road, just admire it and go. About in rain, I'll be in 5,000. Anybody that laughs with this my party might be in 5,000. Babe, I'm the only one permitted to laugh. Alright, thank you. So see you other time. I'll see you another time. Bye. Thanks for staying tuned.